Hello guys, today we'll solve this Codeforces problem, pretty permutations. So, as per the problem states there are n cats in a line labeled 1 to n. Ith cat is at position I and they are bored at their position. So they want to reorder themselves so that no cat is at same place as before. Okay, and they are also lazy, so they want to minimize the total distance they move. Okay, so suppose there are 3 cats, then the solution will look like 3 1 2. Okay, 3 moves 2 steps, 1 move 1 step, and 2 move 1 step. So total movement is 4 steps. This is the problem, and we need to output the order in which the cats rearrange themselves. Okay, so let's check out. So suppose this one is example 1. There are 13 cats in a row. So what could be the possible solution? So in this case we move 2 steps, then we move 1 step and 2 1 step. Okay, then we move 5 over here, then 4 over here, then 6 over here, then 7 over here, then 9 over here, then 8 over here, 11 over here, then 10 over here, then 13 over here, then 12 over here. So all cats have been reordered, and the total distance, how much total distance is? Total distance is 1 has moved 1 step, 1 plus 2 has moved 1 step, 3 has moved 2 step, 4 has moved 1 step, 5 has moved 1 step, 6 1 sorry this one I wrote. Here will be 6 and here it will be 7. 6 has moved 1 step, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 has moved 1 step, then 7 has moved 1 step, then 8 has moved 1 step, then 9 has moved 1 step, then 10 has moved 1 step, then 11 1, then 12 1, and then 13 1. Okay, so what is the total summation? All 12 have moved 1 step, so 12 plus 2, okay, is equal to 14. So 14 is the solution. 14 steps total they have moved, and the above array is the solution. Okay, now suppose there are here odd numbers were there, so in the first we moved 3 elements, total numbers were odd. So now if there are even number of numbers, then we can move each 1 step. Okay, 4 3 6 5 8 and 7. So here how many steps total move? 1 into 8, okay, which is equal to 8. 12 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 2. Okay. 12 numbers moved 1 step and 1 number moved 2 steps. Okay, so 14 movement, and below it has 8 movement. So these are the solution set. This one is the solution set. This one is the solution set, and this one is the solution set. Okay, these two are the solution set. So let's see how we can code this. So this is how the code looks like. First we take input, then we make ans answer as this. Now if n mod 2 is equal to 0, then we make answer as this. Each two we start taking 2 elements at a time, and we reverse them and we add them to answer. Okay, this way we can produce, and if it is not, then we will take the third element, place it in the first position, and then the first two will move 1 step, then we will that answer to the and add each set into the answer list, and that's how we construct the answer, and finally we print it with spaces. Okay, let's run this code. Let's copy this. Enter 21331. Okay, 21312. We got the answer. So let's try to submit it. Let's try to submit it. I'm using Python. Check Python. Submit. It is in queue. Yeah, and it got accepted. So you got, this is the accepted answer. Let's check it. That is satisfying all the tests. Okay. All test cases will be satisfying. That's it, guys. Hope you like the solution. It's a Python solution. Hope you like it. Have a good day.